onto YouTube. R1 Rider coming back at you with another video. Today, I'm gonna go heading out with a buddy of mine who you guys have seen on the channel once before, Socrates. He's got a nice clean CBR 1000 and a really nice Harley as well. And actually, we had to push start his Harley today, coincidentally. So yeah, and we might meet up with Seth as well, and another guy who recently just got a bike. He got a 636 for his first bike. Pretty wild. And it's stunted out. I think everything but the sprocket. But yeah, man, it feels good to be out on the bike. It's about, what time is it? 6:30 right now. Been busy. I've been in Charlotte a lot for training, for work, and actually I go, you know, pretty much every week for the next month. And that was pretty much last month as well. So I'm getting a lot of classes done and everything else, so that's good, but it's put me out of riding time on my new bike. And oh my god, dude, here, that's a cop. And I'm so full, dude, like really, I just ate like Dairy Queen, and I feel fat. I can't wait to get the ECU flashed and see if I can adjust that engine braking to down a little bit. I mean, it engine brakes hard. Damn, it's hot. Ah, man, this bike's amazing. Gas light, I bet. He said he didn't need gas. Pump out of order, of course. Yeah, sweating my ass off. God dang. Hello? We're heading to Hooters. Okay, well, you want to head to Hooters? Alright, because that's where we're heading. Whatever, which one is in Myrtle? Whichever one is that? By the mall, I guess. I don't know which one we're going to. Shit. Do you want to meet us at Broadway? Hey! Alright, meet us at Broadway. Hey, My boys want to meet up Broadway. My boys want to meet up Broadway. All right, come to Broadway. Alright guys, so we got Seth now, we got Quentin, and damn, I keep on forgetting dude's name, but I've rode with him a few times. Boy's extra hot. Boy's chain is rusty, boy, god dang. Rusty ass chain. I said you got a rusty ass chain.
I just got this bike yesterday.
I think we're gonna go to Hooters, get a beer. He's still learning that bike, he just got it yesterday. Oh, I think Stock's gonna stand it up for us. Damn, coming down hard on it. Wrecking the seat down wheelies, boy. Being disrespectful out here. Pulling up to Hooters finally. I hope they're open because I'm really thirsty. That's a nice little ride in there. Didn't go too wild.
This wasn't the one I was thinking of.
This is or isn't? Oh, Sock, what are you doing, brother? Sock, oh. He thought about it. He thought about it. He likes that pop. Oh, and Trey joined us as well. Sweetheart, how have you been? Alright guys, now we're at Hooters. Get a little ride. Oh man, alright guys, so we are leaving the bar. I didn't drink too much, only had a couple beers. Oh man, I smell hella weed right now. Cops are out. Oh my god, up there, right here. Looks like a bike accident, man. Oh no. Oh no. Damn it. I think I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here, guys. If you guys enjoyed, make sure that you leave a like, and also if you're new to the channel, make sure that you subscribe and make sure that the bell notification is on so you always know when I upload more content. And as always, you guys stay blessed, ride safe, and I'll see you guys on the next video. That almost hit me, dude.